Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. Today is a Friday. This is going to be a quick video for you guys. We're going to talk about the team builder level on the Olsp system. Guys, thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you for being here. I am super happy with the support of this community and how this channel has been growing. At the end of the day, I'm coming here 3 times a week on YouTube to post not just strategy videos, not just tech support videos, but also just about the programs, the backend programs that I'm in. And one of them is the Olsp system. If you guys want an update, which I give once a month on the previous month, feel free to check that out. Last week I posted on my monthly update for May. Obviously in July I will post about June, and June has been a phenomenal month for me. So I wanted to make an extra video for all of you guys who are maybe researching on team builder level of the Olsp system. There are many advantages to getting to a team builder level. And I would suggest anybody who's in the Megalink phase, your aim should be getting commissions day in and day out to get to this team builder level, because it's just going to blow up your entire, let's say, journey with affiliate marketing. I'm going to give you an idea, or rather I'm going to tell you guys a personal story of mine. I got started with affiliate marketing a long time ago, a long time ago. I remember when actually Wayne Crow, who's the owner of the Olsp system, was just selling traffic. Okay, was just a solo ad vendor who was growing his business, who was doing really well actually, and teaching a lot. I remember him at that point of time. I got started with the Olsp system, did not have a streamlined process, and now it has an amazing streamlined process that exists, has an amazing team behind it, is paying out every single day so many. The other day I saw that it was, I think, around 15,000 paid commissions paid to members in the last 24 hours. I will just leave that for you guys to mull over and think about it. 15,000 people got paid in 24 hours. It's incredible. It's an incredible opportunity. But when I got into affiliate marketing, there was a lot of confusions. There's always a lot of shiny objects that are available all over the place. Product, services, just trying to show you that everything is possible under the sun and you can be a millionaire overnight and stuff like that. Or they're just focusing on the dream. And the problem here is that when people focus on the dream only, yes, it's good to focus on the dream outcome, but if you're only focused on the dream and you don't realize that you need to put in the work and the effort to reach that and manifest that, then it's going to be a struggle for you. And I was one of those people who fell into that trap, guys. So I jumped around quite a bit. For 6 years, I failed, didn't make any money. I made my odd commission here and there, but there was no clear understanding behind it. There was no clear understanding on what skill sets are needed. And then I sat down and I realized, after the success that I made also, I realized that, okay, what is the things that actually help me? Things that actually help me are two primary skill sets with affiliate marketing: advertising and copywriting. Advertising, because you need to have a constant flow of traffic that's going through. Copywriting is conversions, and copywriting is needed on your advertising stage. Copywriting is needed in your sales process. Copywriting is needed on your conversions in the back end with the emails. The blockers for most of the people was the tech side, and the Olsp system just really solved that technology, at least, problem, and just said, you know what, focus on the traffic. That is your aim and your goal as an affiliate marketer, is focus on the traffic. Don't worry about everything else. We'll take care of everything else. It's okay. It's going to be a minimum cost, or there is going to be a done for you element, and in fact the team builder does have a done for you element. But this is the interface that's available, right? This is what we have to offer. But there was one other thing that somebody told me, and they said, when you get, the problem is that people look at affiliate marketing sometimes as just a side hustle, and they don't give themselves a career plan. If you start a job and you give yourself a career plan, if you start anything and you give yourself a career plan, you're basically putting into place a structure that is leveling up. Okay, I know this is not related to team builders or anything like that, but I want you guys to enter into the logic. You're leveling up. So think of it as an affiliate marketing career plan for yourself. And so that was the first thing that somebody told me, right? So I said, okay, so what's my understanding? I need to get into realizing how to use advertising. Then after, it's copywriting, and then I become an ad expert maybe, and I'm upskilling my skill set that then allows me to do more for less and automate a lot of things, especially with AI that we have existing in today's day and age, right? So all of those aspects come into the perspective, and I'm giving you this insight because the moment I saw how the Olsp system was set up, okay, that is the first aha that happened for me. That was the first moment that I realized, oh my god, yes, this has the affiliate marketing career plan in place already. So all I need to do is focus on getting started, no matter no matter where I'm at. If I can afford to get started only at $7, great, I'm going to get started at $7. If I can afford to get started at Team Builders, then why not? So I got started with the Megalink. I was with the Megalink for years because I didn't take it seriously. This year, a lot has changed. I've been following, going for events, being a part of the community for such a long time. And I realized that, you know what? Enough is enough. I need to take this seriously because this is a system that's one, stood the test of time. Two, has an owner that's super passionate. Three, you're getting the support and commitment for the long term. And so it just makes sense to have the OLSP system working for you. Okay, honestly, you have the cookies that are available, which are hard coded for life, and there's so many advantages. I'm not going to get into it, but there are so many advantages to it. So I had to take it seriously, and that's why I upgraded to a team builder myself. And in that process of upgrading to a team builder, I was thinking to I was researching, and I realized there's not a lot of information out there that shares with you how you can get started, how you can get discounts with for team builders itself. Because yes, it's available, and I'm going to tell you the normal price of it and also how much it is for a discount. Okay, so let's just show you guys the normal price of team builders itself. So we'll go here and I'm going to the second page and we'll just go copy this link and we will go to this page right here, because this is the sales page that I'm going to be showing you right now. In the sales page, if I scroll down, you guys were going to see, just give me a second, I know my video is also loading, but I want to just continue to do this video. Okay, so you have the option right here. Let me just scroll down a little bit more. Perfect. You have mega builders and team builders. Okay, so we're just going to talk about team builders. I'm not going to be talking about mega builders. In my opinion, if you get started with the mega link and you can't afford to go to team builders, it's a better solution for you. So team builders would be the best solution in my opinion, and worthwhile. Not that mega builders is not worth it, but I think just team builders makes more sense. So the usual cost is, as you can see right here, 1997 for life. So you can pay once around $2,000 and get it for life, or you can spend 197 per month. Okay, and this is how you can get started with team builders. Now you get a different there's different reasons. There are pros and cons for both. The monthly membership, I don't know if on the other ones, but the monthly membership, at least you're getting access also this monthly membership. So the 197 per month membership only, you're getting access also to a traffic rotator where basically, as you can see right here, on this monthly plan, you'll get traffic and leads every single month from the rotator itself directly to those monthly members. Again, I'm going to say this on a 197 per month plan. So that's the first way you can get started. That's the first cost that you have available. 197 can be a lot for people, right? Hence, I'm telling you, I'm going to show you guys other two methods. So there's another way, which is the link in my description. This is the second way. The link in my description is going to give you a discount of $1,000. Yes, it's going to give you a discount of $1,000 to get started with the lifetime membership of the OLSP system. So you can check that out. Okay. You do not, with that 997, okay, you do not get access to this monthly traffic rotator. So do not expect that. This is one confusion that I personally had when I got started. I thought, oh cool, I'll get started for the lifetime and I'll basically get free traffic every single month. My mentality was wrong. It was a lazy mentality. I'm not saying that there are no benefits to it, but then if you're focused on just that one element, means you want free traffic. And that's the only thing that you're looking at. But are you ready to put in the work and the effort? Because that's what a team builder is. You're ready to put in the work and the effort to actually apply the strategies, get traffic running. Maybe it's paid, maybe it's free, but are you ready to put in the work? That is a question I would ask myself. At that point of time when I was thinking this, I said, wait. I need to change mindset. It's my problem. It's not OLSP's problem. Okay. So I hope you guys understood that. So this is how it is. This is the cost, as I mentioned, lifetime and monthly. And the other option is available in the link in the description. You basically get access to 997. Now the third way is, in my opinion, the best way. First and foremost, if you are not at a level of getting started with team builders and you're just on, considering to get started with Megalink, which is $7, then that is fine. Okay. Get started with $7, put into practice the training that's available in the mega link. So if you access the product right here, you'll see that there's training on how you can drive traffic, what is the best options, what is available within the training itself, and taking this link that's there on the right hand side corner over here and promoting it, or getting people to the events every week and getting that exposure. We are realistically building our journey. You don't understand anything about affiliate marketing? Start. This is what we're saying. Don't complicate it. Start. Okay. And it's starting with $7 is honestly not a brain, like it's not hard. You can, it's affordable, it's possible, and just start to make those commissions, because you as a mega link member, as you make more mega link sales, you're making 100% commissions. Okay, literally you're making 100% commission. So it makes sense for you, and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so let's take this mega link 2.0, which is just a new funnel. You can, if I go right here, I don't think you can see marketing material, so let me just take another option available right here, and I'll just go to marketing material. But you can see right here the commissions that you're getting as a but let's scroll down. Yep, you're getting 100% commissions on the mega link itself. 100% commissions. If you're a team builder, then only you will get 200% commissions. That is cool, right? 200% commissions. If you're a VIP, then you're getting, again, first level VIP, then you're getting only $7 commissions. And if you're a second level VIP, then you're getting $14 commissions. But if you're a team builder on the second level, first level, you're getting 7. Second level, you're getting 14. So it's very clearly mentioned over here what you would get. Okay, let's say somebody goes and gets team builder, or VIP. I don't know if VIP cost is that. Anyway, a team builder, you'll get about 40 to 50% commissions on first level, and then 5% commissions on level 2. Clear? But ideally, you as a new marketer, as a mega link member, you sell another mega link, you're getting 100% commissions. You're getting $7 a month. That's it. Okay, this is how the opt-in goes through the whole place. So it goes opt-in, mega link, mega messenger, mega team builders as well. So let's say even as a mega link member, if somebody joins you, it joins the monthly membership of $197, you're getting 10% commissions as a mega link member. Okay, which means you're getting $19 a month just from that. Somebody gets started on the $97. I will share that. The third option, then you're getting 10% commissions on that. So even as a mega link member, you can make different levels of commissions and on different products and services. Basically, you're entering into the ecosystem itself. So I would suggest get started as a mega link member, work your way, which is what I did as well. And then I said, okay, I had a little bit of extra cash. Let me get into and get started with this team builder membership. Now, the other advantage of getting started with the team builder is that you also get 200% commissions on the backend. Now I'm going to show you guys a little bit more what you get as a team builder. But what I wanted to show you, the third method of specifically how you can get started, or third way as team builder, is right here. So when you get started with any membership level on Olsp, you get access to this dashboard. You have the step 1, step 2, step 3. If you go to step 2, there's a new video that's here. You click on complete step, and this is for limited time. So maybe right now you're watching this video and this is available, but maybe in the future it's not. In this limited time offer, you're getting all of these things that are available right here, which we'll talk about in a second. Besides the training, products, done for you setup and everything else, which is all going to be taken care of, you're getting access to also one of the cool thing, which is 200% commissions on Megalink memberships, which means instead of getting $7, if somebody joins for $7, you're getting $14 commissions, which is really powerful if you think about it. Okay, and the third membership, as I mentioned, is you can get started for a discount on Team Builder monthly membership for $97 a month. Okay, and if you can see right here, there's nothing related to the traffic rotator here. So the traffic rotator is only on the 197, not on the 97. Okay, you can get started with the $97 a month. You can get started with lifetime team builder membership training right here, or the product itself, which is $997. What I got started with, this is how you get, and I think this is the best offer for multiple reasons. The normal price costs you $1997. The 3-pay option, which is the third option available right here, is about $397. Okay, now just to give you an understanding, that's 3 payments of 397. 397 into 3 is you're spending almost $1,200. Okay, you're spending $1,100. And if you minus 997, what is the discount? You're basically saving $194 if you go lifetime and you get paid off in one shot. So in terms of effectiveness, cost, everything, the 997 makes sense. Plus you are also saving $1,000, right? Because the usual lifetime cost is 1997. That's all I'm going to say, because I thought the visibility of these options needed a video itself, because I never, when I was researching this, guys, I never had this option of seeing these little bit, these details which I needed in my decision making process. So I wanted to just keep it out there. Obviously, if you guys have any questions, reach out to me and I can answer them. Again, this is for everybody. It's not just for people who are interested in joining me. If you want to share this with somebody else and see these options available, great. Share this video with somebody else. It's fine. I have no issue with it. I'm here actually to help. Okay. So this is the availability. And as I mentioned right in the beginning of the video, I see it as this career path, right? You start maybe as a free member, you go to the mega link, you earn a little bit of income coming in, and then you go to the team builder. Guess what? Each and every single time now, all your members start to also put into practice, you're getting second tier commissions. So just by going up to team builder, you can make your money back really quickly. And in fact, that's what I personally am seeing. So I got started with 197, with 997, and you can see I'm already for almost 40% got my, let me put it this way, investment back, because of the work and the effort that I have put in the past, just compounded now. Okay, so you always, and this is the best part of this affiliate journey, right? You've learned the skill sets, you're applying the skill sets, you're continuing to apply the skill sets, but your past efforts are also compounding right now, because let's say people in the past have realized, oh my God, this makes sense, let's also build. So I have second tier commissions coming in as well. And it's a win-win for everybody. So I hope that makes sense. Again, besides this, in terms of the products that you're getting access to all of this training, Facebook 101, Mega Builder, Mega Messenger, the Team Builder software. So the Mega Builder software, this is done for you softwares and funnels and anything. So if you are looking for lead magnets, if you want to stand out of the crowd, if you want to create your own AI agents, all of that's available within this software. Plus you get the advanced Toffee method, unlimited leads for free. This is something that I am personally in the process of putting into action and taking the effort to grow my business even further. And that's available all here. You can see the amount of products that you get. So literally, if you want, just focus on one training at a time and apply that training. Take it, apply it, because at the end of the day, positioning yourself as a team builder is giving you the most financial possibility, but now you also have enough of training to take things one step at a time. Going in lifetime, it makes sense. This is what I wanted to give you guys, an update, a review, a view on team builders. And if you do, my recommendation is to go to step 2 right here, click on complete, and you can get started with team builders. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I hope this video was informative for you, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Have a nice day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.